This product is going to revolutionize the car care industry forever. Just kidding. Look, on our video shoots, we like to have fun, and what happens a lot is Adam and I mess up all the time. So strap in and get ready to watch our most recent blooper reel.
Whoa.
These cars.
Grab the show snuffle.
Winter driving is an absolute reality in certain parts of the nation. Oh, he's gonna hit Phil. Oh, that was pretty good, dude. Okay, and what happens is your car, holy.
Oh, I need to figure out what this is. Like, how do you do this? We're gonna talk about waterless wiping, spray and wiping. No, we're not.
Have the perfect chemical and perfect tools to help clean any kind of wheel finish. That was the worst pan ever, dude.
Right to me.
How are we supposed to fix this?
You just started
I went the wrong way. No, dude, it's okay. Whoa! I look so good. Hello. Hey guys, it's Chris. He's right over there. Now he's over here. Over here. Over here. Ready?
Every time I do that, I feel a little better. I want you guys to know that. My youngest son, Enzo, he's gonna be like me. He's gonna wet the bed till he's 14, like I did.
All right, the next way to remove this is a spit shine. Worked.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Beep, beep, beep.
Okay, graphene CS3. I don't want to say okay.
Okay.
God, that was terrible.
Okay.
Okay, all right, okay.
Okay, we cut this boat in half.
The cool thing about Adam's graphene.
Sorry.
Chris, you gotta lay off the Virginia Slims, dog.
You're making me laugh more, which is making me cough more.
Gets all over the wheel when this car is driven really hard. And I know Matt drives this car hard. I promise you, he drives it fast and hard. Dude, and these hella sick AGs. They're like 26s, dude. Look at hella Adams polishes. Yeah. We're talking about a story. Chris's mom was on FaceTime.
I'm good.
Chris, I'm dynamic vlog status, dude. Come on. That's the next segment we're gonna talk to next, and let's shoot over there and bleh, that was terrible. That is the kind of the next best option when it comes no, that's like the nest back talking. God, dude. Now that's the next best option. What is happening to me right now? Hi everyone, today we are here. Hold up. Hi everyone. Wow. That was legit. That sounded like a car fell out of the sky. Boom. Ready? Hi everyone, today we're here at Adams Polishes headquarters. Do not shoot in a warehouse. Guys, through, at certain time frames, within an hour. Sounds like a turkey. Having perfectly clean wheels is absolutely amazing. We're about to get interrupted by my boy over here who just went to Burger King and got some mozzarella sticks. I knew you'd walk in front of that camera, dude. Guarantee it, dude.
Behind.
Look, Tyler, I applied it. Now we can show people how f***ed up I applied a coating. % every time, effectively and efficiently. Done. Catch you next time. Make sure to subscribe.